this small near surface high grade zone is what Novamera intends to focus on for and mine and produce copper concentrate.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Brian Fowler. He is the CEO of Northstar Gold Corp. And Brian, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
Well, thanks, Steve. Hope you're doing good too.
Yeah, doing very well. And last time you and I talked, you had a big announcement for the company, and back again with another one as you've signed another MOU with a company called Novamera. And this is all in relation to the Cam Copper Mine. So I'll let you take it from there. Tell me about this company and what this means.
Certainly, yeah. This morning we're very pleased to announce company signed an MOU with Novamera Inc. They're Ontario-based company that specializes in surgical mining using the diamond drill techniques that can successfully mine near surface, narrow, high-grade deposits at a fraction of the cost of conventional mining. And it really simplifies permitting. It simplifies the footprint. So we're very pleased that to announce that we've come to an agreement with this MOU, and so we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, Brian, maybe you could talk to us about surgical mining and what that means, because you mentioned they're experts in this and it's very cost effective. But what exactly does it do and how does it work?
Surgical mining, Novamera surgical mining, it's a proprietary mining process. It combines mapping, positioning, steering technologies with conventional AI and or conventional drilling equipment, utilizing proprietary AI and machine learning language, and it successfully exploits narrow, high-grade copper gold deposits that are typically the size of what the MOU focus is as the number 2 high-grade copper zone on our Cam Copper mine.
Yeah, and you've done a little work in this particular area as well, right, Brian?
That's right. We've Cam was a historic high-grade copper producer. It actually produced direct shipping ore to Noranda in the 40s and the 50s. It was a 200-foot shaft mine, and then it underwent some subsequent exploration and drilling, and then more recently, Northstar drilled 4 holes, confirming some historic grades and widths. Last November, we got one intercept 14.8% copper over 2.5 meters. But all of this work is essentially defined a 42-meter long zone that averages 10% copper over 0.85 meter true width, and for about 140 meters to depth. The zone 2 is one of 3 zones that have been defined to date, and all of them remain open to depth. So this small near surface high grade zone is what Novamera intends to focus on for and mine and produce copper concentrate.
Yeah. So Brian, what's the next steps now in all of this? What should investors expect?
Okay, well, the MOU is defined by a 4-stage process that'll take between 12 to 18 months. Stage 1 is just conceptual surgical mining and a desktop evaluation, development of a 3D block model that's ongoing, that's near completion. Stage 2 will be on boots on the ground guidance tool calibration activities. We'll have to do some mine permitting, environmental impact assessment. And I should mention that this is going to be much cheaper and quicker than conventional mining because it's just a non-intrusive way to mine. Stage 3 is initial surgical mining employing rotary drilling methods. And the real kicker for this is that for Northstar and Northstar shareholders is that this will be financed by Novamera. And they've got a number of industry contacts and access to government grant agencies that are very interested and would finance such a mining venture. So this checks all the boxes for Northstar and our shareholders. And then after we do the stage 3 initial surgical mining of the zone 2, we'll be able to evaluate the remainder. We've got under our control right now about 4 kilometers of prospective geology that hosting this style of mineralization. So this is something that could be sustainable and carry on for a considerable time period.
Well, it's fascinating stuff. It's going to be interesting to see this unfold for sure. Brian, thanks so much. Congratulations on the announcement, and we'll talk soon, okay?
You bet. Thank you, Steve.
All right, Brian Fowler, the CEO of Northstar Gold Corp.